jumped out of
First,
a construction helicopter over the valley
we
in
get
Switzerland.
what we deserve. Oh, we get what we deserve. And we're down we go, 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 go. And we're down we go, 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 go. Say we're down we go, go. Way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild, child. Time has come as we all go down. Yeah, but for the fall, my heart, do you dare to look them right in the eyes? Yeah. Oh, 'cause they will run you down, down to dark. Yes, and they will run you down, down till you fall. And they will run you down, down till your core. Yes, till you can't crawl no more. And we're down we go, 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 go. And we're down we go, Lord. Say we're down we go. Yes, 'cause they will run you down, down to your power. Oh, we're down we go.
all right, Kales. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Jumped out of
First,
a construction helicopter over the valley in Switzerland.
do we know anything about the jump?
Thought it was awesome.
Best jump of your life?
Woo! Yeah, it was pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Yeah.